okay. For the ones that hate it, don't buy it. Because the people like me, we gonna keep buying it. We gonna keep buying it. We gonna keep buying it. Because I swear by this all. Period. To be another natural hair product unboxing. I did go ahead and snagged up some goodies from Mielle Organics in their $7 sale that they recently had. And I also bought another hair product from another different company. So if you guys want to see what came in this package, stay tuned. My first item that I am going to open up is in this small box. This is from a company called A Natural Rose. If you guys do not know who Brittany is, she do make natural hair products. She do have hair oil as well as a hydrating butter. So I did see her butter on TikTok, and I was also following her on YouTube. I want to support a black owned business, so I did go ahead and order her butter, and I can't wait to try this butter out on me and Harmony hair. So y'all, I'm making this video for TikTok and YouTube. I should have had a knife. So when you do get your package, it do come in a bubble wrap like this. In the box, it was no receipt, which is fine for me. I really don't care because I got it in my email. So this is how the package look. This is her Hydrating Hair Butter. It do come in a 8-ounce jar. I kind of thought the butter would look, the packaging would look a little bit different. Like, you know, the jars that the Shea Moisture, the Mielle Organics hair mask come in. I thought it was like one of those type of jars. But nevertheless, I am super excited to be trying out her hair product. I am going to go ahead and open it and see how it smells. Product didn't have a seal on it. To me, that's not an issue. It do have a pleasant scent. The scent is not too strong at all. You guys know I do not like those perfumey hair products. I did thought it would be, I don't know, because it was in transit, but I was expecting it to be more of a butter. So off the bag, I could tell this is going to be very moisturizing product. Just giving effect on how my hand feel. It feels very smooth to the touch. And honestly, I cannot wait to try this product on me and Harmony's hair. I am going to do a detailed video just on this product alone. So I want you guys to make sure you turn on your post notifications so when I do upload that video, you guys won't miss it. But I will leave all Brittany's information down below in the description box. So if you want to go ahead and support a black business, go ahead and click that link down below. This is not a sponsored video. She did not send me her products. I bought her products with my own money because I'm always looking to try new things for me and Harmony here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Mielle package now. So one thing I like about Mielle products is they packaging is A1. We got a whole bunch of bubble wrap. No cap, off the rip. I literally could smell this oil. Y'all, when I tell y'all, I am in love with Mielle Organic oil. I'm in love with their oil. Like, I swear by their oil. Their oil gets so much hate. I got my mama using it. I got my auntie using it. I done went and bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 hair oils. I did go ahead and order 3 of Mielle Mango and Tulsi Botanical Blend Nourishing Thermal Protectant Spray. And these sprays do come in a 6-ounce spray bottle. Now I am going to open up this spray bottle and see how it smells. Ooh wee. This smells good. It smells very tropical. You know when you get heat protectant spray or, you know, any type of thermal spray, it always have that alcohol smell to it. I hate that smell. Any heat protectant spray that I buy that have that alcohol smell, I do not use it because I cannot stand it. I feel like it is so bad for my hair and I do not use it. But this heat protectant spray, oh my god, it literally smells so tropical. I really can't wait to use this. I am going to be showing you guys how I blow dry my hair. I did go ahead and order a new hair dryer that was trending on TikTok as well. So I am really excited to be trying out these products. So if you guys may or may not know, my Mielle Organics Roseberry Mint Oil now come in a light version. This bottle come in a 2-ounce bottle. This bottle really goes a long way. Like this oil, depending on how much you use it, I use it for me and Harmony hair at least 3 times a week, and it lasts us a very long time. I feel like the smell, anytime I use this, and it still smells the same, because you guys know the situation, Mielle, another company, took over and all that other stuff, but the formula, it still smells the same. So all of the hair bottles is out of the packaging. One of these bottles is actually for my mama. Y'all, when I tell y'all, I get so excited when people say they cannot stand this oil. I get so excited when people say, oh, don't buy this oil, don't buy it, it don't work, it make my hair fall out. And then you got people who is like me, who swear by this oil, who love this oil, and who simply say, okay, for the ones that hate it, don't buy it, because the people like me, we gonna keep buying it. We gonna keep buying it. We gonna keep buying it, because I swear by this oil. Period. So the next product did come in this little bubble wrap. Now this item was free. You spend a certain amount on her website, you did get a free gift, and this was a free gift. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the packaging. So this item do come in a 3.4 fluid ounce bottle. And this is the Mielle White Peony leave-in conditioner. Now, I never even heard of this. I'm going to open it up and see how it smells. Okay. It do have a faint smell. Like, the smell is really faint. It's not overpowering or anything. It's really a faint smell. So I can't wait to see how this works in me and Harmony hair. And it do say that it's for all hair types. It also says that it's sulfate free and color safe. So if you do have color treated hair, this product is okay for you guys to use. The next product that I am super excited to be trying out, it did come in this huge, not huge, but it did come in this Mielle box. Y'all, I literally be so excited to get hair products. It's like my birthday and Christmas all in one. I just be so geeked up to open up these hair products. I love how all her boxes do say Mielle on it. Oh my god, look how pretty this box is. And I literally just bust the box open. Y'all, look at the inside of the box. I love the packaging. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my god. So, this is the infamous Sea Moss collection. So, the first product that I did pick up in this box is the Mielle Sea Moss anti-shedding shampoo. Now this product is infused with soy pimento, and the shampoo do come in an 8-ounce bottle. So I'm just gonna open up and see how the product smell. I don't know. The smell is different. It's different. It don't stink. It's not an overly powered perfume smell. It just smells different. I have a very good feeling that this shampoo is going to be really creamy. So this is how it looks. Hopefully you guys can see that. And the next item is the Sea Moss anti-shedding conditioner, and it do come in a bottle, same bottle as the shampoo, and it looks like this. So I'm going to go ahead and open it and see how it smells. Okay. Now, the conditioner and the shampoo smells different. I'm really hoping I like this conditioner, because off the back, this conditioner has a perfume smell. Those perfume smells that I don't like. But nevertheless, I'm still eager to try this product. The smell, oh my gosh. Y'all, I don't know. The smell, it's just got a perfume smell. I'm going to be very optimistic about this. I am going to go in using this product with an open mind, but off the back, I don't know. Off the back, I don't know. Just given the fact of the smell, I don't know. The next item that we have here is the Sea Moss Anti-Shedding Leave-In Conditioner. And it is a leave-in spray bottle rather than a pump. And it looks like this. Now, this product do come in a 8 fluid ounce spray bottle. So I'm going to go ahead and smell it, because I always smell my products. Okay, the leave-in conditioner smells similar to the conditioner, but it don't have that perfumey type smell. Yeah, it definitely smells the same, but the scent on this one is like a little bit lighter. It don't have, like I said, don't have that perfume smell to it. So I have a feeling I may like this one, but we're gonna see. Now, the next product we have is a Sea Moss Anti-Shedding Gel Hair Mask. And this come in an 8 ounce jar. It does says that it promotes shine and it has great slip. Now, in my first time ever of trying Mielle Organics hair products, and I did try the Rosemary collection. I'm gonna pop the thumbnail right here as well as the card up top. You girls, y'all came for me when I said I did not like that Mielle hair mask. Y'all came for me. First and foremost, y'all have to understand what works for you may not work for me. What worked for me may not work for you. Everybody hair texture is different, and everybody hair reacts to different products differently. And y'all had a whole lot to say when I said my hair did not like that hair mask. I cannot help that my hair did not like that hair mask. Even after trying that hair mask a different type of way, my hair was like, no sis, take it out. Now, I'm not saying that hair product is a bad product. It just didn't work for me. And that is totally okay. That is totally fine. Okay? But y'all came for me. So, I am going to be real optimistic about this hair mask, given the fact that it's a gel hair mask. So I'm gonna go open it up and see how it smells. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like the smell. I don't like the smell of this. Oh my god, I don't like the smell. To me, the texture kind of looks like it's similar to the Just For Me Curls Unleashed pre-shampoo treatment. It literally looks just like that. As y'all can see, it's like a aloe vera type looking consistency. Now, the smell is a little bit overpowering for my liking, but like I said, I am going to be optimistic about everything and just basically see how this works for my hair. I should have just ordered a separate bottle so my daughter could have her own. Hopefully this jar is enough for us, because we do have low porosity hair, and sometimes products tend to sit on our hair. Anytime a product sit on our hair, that means our hair do not like it at all. So maybe I like it, maybe I won't, but we'll see. Last but not least, you have the Sea Moss Anti-Shedding Curl Pudding. And it's also in an 8 fluid ounce bottle. It do says that eliminate frizz and add shine. Now this just smells like vitamins. And y'all, I'm just being honest. Like, this is my honest opinion. Like, this smells like vitamins. You know when you open up a bottle of vitamins? This is what it smells like. It don't have that perfumey smell, but I really won't know how these products, how I like the products, how I take to the smell, unless I try it. I am going to be trying the sea moss collection on my hair as well as my daughter hair. We do have 4C, 4B hair, low porosity hair. So I'm going to see how my hair reacts to these products as well as how her hair reacts to these products as well. But if you guys enjoy this natural hair product unboxing and do want to see more unboxing videos, don't forget to hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so when I do drop another video, you guys won't miss it. But that is all that I have for now. I hope you guys stay safe and be blessed, and I'll talk to you guys later.